Hindi Alphabets Part 2. Stay tuned till the end of this video to see the complete list. Easy sound letters. M, mango, M. Y, yellow, Y. R, red, R. L, lemon, L. W, violin, W. H, hat, H. S, sun, S. Compound sound letters. List of letters with their sounds. Nasal sound ng, ng. Nasal nya, nya. Gya, gya. Sh, sh. Tra, tra. Shra, shra. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Retroflex letters. While pronouncing these letters, the front tongue touches the roof of the mouth. N as in nest, N. The retroflex sound is N. Notice the difference. The N sound in run, run, run. Sh as in shoe, sh. The retroflex sound is ch, ch. Notice the difference. Sh as in sheher, ch, chatkon, chatkon. D as in diamond, d. The retroflex is d, d. Notice the difference. D, dali, dali. D, dade, dade. D sound as in dhal. The retroflex sound is d, d. Notice the difference. D, dhal. D, dhai, dhai. The additional letters. J, jug. Z, zebra. P, phal. F as in flower. This is the complete list of the Hindi consonants which we have learned in the part 1 and 2. In the next part, we will cover Hindi vowels. To get updates on the upcoming videos, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you.